there, Jen with RevZilla, and today we're going to take a closer look at the first manufacturing Fashionista jacket available at RevZilla.com. All right, so Ava joins us today, and right now she's wearing the first manufacturing Fashionista jacket. Now, this is a jacket that's going to appeal to a lot of the cruiser and cafe standard riders out there. It does have an hourglass cut to it, and it goes up to size 5 extra large. So for you full-figured riders, that could be a really good option for you. I also want to point out that seasonality might be something to consider with this jacket. It doesn't have any venting or perforations, and it actually has a removable liner inside it, so it's definitely geared for your colder months of riding. Now, I personally, when I'm shopping for a motorcycle jacket, I want it to come with armor in it. First Manufacturing typically does not include armor in their jackets, so something for you to consider as you take a closer look at this Fashionista jacket. Now, some notes about sizing. Ava is 5'10", weighs in at 150 pounds, and has a bust of 38 inches. Right now, she's wearing a size medium, and when you look at the sizing chart, that is true to size fit. Now, again, if you're going to be one of those riders that adds in the armor to this jacket, our recommendation is go ahead and size up to make sure you have room for those additional items. Now, do keep in mind that this product will ship to you for free, and as always, our price match policy is in place to guarantee you the lowest price available. All right, so let's talk about some of the features of this jacket. For main construction, it does have a cowhide leather main construction. Again, I'm going to point out there's no perforations or venting on this jacket. For you Southwest desert riders out there, probably not a good option for you. If you're riding a lot of colder months, this might work better for you. So talking about some of the features of the jacket, starting up top at the collar here, we have a traditional button snap closure into a YKK zipper. Take note of these pockets that First Manufacturing is using here. They are top loading pockets. For me, in a riding jacket, I usually like a side entry on my pocket, so just keep in mind that these are a little different than that. Again, I want to point out the hourglass cut of this jacket, a very form-flattering fit on Ava. Ava, if you could turn to the side, please. So in the riding position, I want to point out again, there is no CE level 1 protection in this jacket, so the shoulder and the elbow don't have that protection. When it comes to the cut of the sleeve, it's a little bit more straight. Again, it's geared for you cruiser riders out there. Now, coming along to the bottom of this hem, there is a snap here, and normally this would be an indicator of some adjustment that can happen at the bottom of the jacket, but this particular snap is just there for styling purposes. So my recommendation in First Manufacturing is, hey, just add a couple more snaps in here in future iterations, so we do actually have the option of adjusting the fit at the bottom of the jacket. Ava, if you could turn to the back for us, please. So on the back side of the jacket here, I'm definitely a fan of seeing a little reflective piece somewhere on the back of the jacket. Throughout this jacket, First Manufacturing has not added that in, so something for them to consider in future iterations of their jackets. You do have a pocket if you'd like to add in a back protector. And then for the general length of the jacket is more of a crop style. It doesn't have much of a drop tail, so just keep that in mind when you're considering your riding position and the cut of the jacket. Ava, if you could turn to the front unzip for us, please. So as I mentioned before, this jacket is going to do really well in those cooler months, and part of that reason is this removable liner. It is a full sleeve thermal liner. Also, what else is happening on the interior of this jacket, and is typical of First Manufacturing, they have 2 conceal carry pockets here on this side and also on this side. All right, Ava, if you could zip up for us, please. And so there you have it. That is the overview of the First Manufacturing Fashionista women's jacket. This is a jacket that's going to appeal to you cruiser riders out there. It has that nice hourglass cut to it, goes up to size 5 extra large, and it's going to be really good for those colder weather riding days that you might encounter. For me personally, I really like a jacket to come with some armor in it, and also this jacket's not very adaptable to all the other seasons, so those are kind of my minuses on the Fashionista jacket. Now, if you have more questions, go ahead and hit the info button on your desktop or mobile device. It'll redirect you to our product page where you can see more product features and read some reviews from riders like yourself. If you have even more questions, give one of our Women Gear Geeks a call at 877-792-9455 or email us cs@revzilla.com. All right, thanks for hanging out with Ava and I as we take a closer look at the First Manufacturing Fashionista women's jacket. I'm Jen with RevZilla. Keep it on too.